Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ale and today I'm going to talk about this awesome Jackson Roswell Rhoads. Alright, so welcome back. I'm pretty sure most of you have never seen a guitar like this, so first of all let me add some background information. This is a super rare Jackson Roswell Rhoads in Midnight Blue Sparkle finish, made in Japan in 1998, approximately one of only 150 made, and even more rare consider that most of them were black. According to the official Jackson archived catalog use 1998 page 3, these guitars have poplar body, bolt-on maple neck, rosewood fingerboard, 25.5 inches scale, 22 frets, wonderful crop seal curls inlays, two pneumatic style bridge, one Duncan designed HB103 bridge humbucker pickup, one master volume knob, and they were produced either in black finish or this awesome Midnight Blue Sparkle. Alright, so I've got this guitar in a trade. It's in mint condition, but it needs some love. It came together with a generic hard case that I have to modify to make the Rhoads fit perfectly. So let's take this beauty to my lab where crazy things happen. If you want to skip this section, you can jump around through the video by clicking on the timestamps below. And of course, if you like this video and this type of content, please feel free to leave a like and comment on anything you see or hear. And if you also want to see more of this stuff like plugin reviews, gear demos and other heavy metal related videos, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. It's totally free and it means a lot to me. The case is very dusty, I'll remake it later. Beautiful sparkling finish. Super rare shape, can't wait to play this one. Dimebucker pickup, bridge frozen in time, headstock and neck heel look great, and both the horns are still intact. Unwinding the strings, headphones users turn up the volume now. The bridge came off easily, it says BH1993 on the bottom. Yes, I know you can see an angry face on the body of the guitar. Cleaning the metal parts with some degreaser and sanitizer. Removing the truss rod cover. It looks nice and filled with the factory sawdust. Removing the neck. The screws were shockingly in the wrong order. You want the longer screws to be where there's more to bite. Otherwise, they could just ruin the fretboard and the neck. From the stamp inside the neck pocket, you can definitely say it's a RWR1 made in Japan in 1998, probably the 24th of November. The neck has finish all over the heel. I tried my best, but there's nothing readable there. Time to clean the neck with a little bit of degreaser, gently wiping it away soon. Putting some painter's tape on the fretboard. The frets are already looking somewhat good, but I'll polish them anyways. Using Baroque fret erasers in 3 grits, 180, 400 and 1000. I love these things, they work absolutely fine. Time to remove the tape and make up those big giant sticky balls. Not sure I should say these words here. Do you know what this is? A cropped crop circle. I think I need to sleep more. I'll need to polish the fretboard later. Checking and tightening the leader screws, something felt weird in the low E tuner. The machine heads tend to be very wobbly. I'll need to fix them with a set of tubular hex screws. Something still feeling weird. It seems like the low E tuner rotates inside the shaft. Opening the back cavity, everything looks nice and I can see there's a push-pull knob, so I'm happy to know that the Dimebacke will be splittable. Also, notice the recessed area for the cavity plate. This is a very nice touch. Oh, and look what I found on the other side of the plate. Are you serious, man? This is like the most important thing of it all, the original Jackson model sticker. I like the idea of preserving it inside the cavity, but not like this. At least let's use some tape. As you can see, J015868. I know what everybody's wondering now, so let's go to the infamous serial number decoder and let's see what happens entering this string. And yeah, boom. As always, it's very incorrect. Practically everything it says is wrong, not made in 1990, definitely not a neck-through construction, and the number isn't stamped on the fretboard. Let's check the pickup. As always, the wires are super duper short. Beautiful SH13 Dimebacke made in 2010. And look at the wonderful recess for both the bridge and the pickup. Very nice touch of craftsmanship. Checking the push-pull, definitely needs to be tightened. Putting the back plate on. Putting the neck back on and its screws. Make sure to put them in the right order and place. Wonderful snug fit. Unfortunately, one of the machine head tuners broke while I was putting on the new set of strings. I'm not sure, but I think the cause is due to a malfunction inside the shaft, which totally broke in two pieces. For a moment I feared the worst, because when a little part of a rare piece of a super rare guitar breaks, the chances of finding an ideal replacement are very, very low. Yet, thanks to Fox Logan and Stephen Devin and all the great people from the Jackson Guitar Owners Facebook group, I bought a set of 6 Vanson tuners on eBay for very little money, namely the VN03 set at 15 British pounds. I am really amazed by the perfection of the replacement. I bet none of you have noticed, but in all this video you are watching, only the tuner of the low E string has been replaced, while the others are still the original ones. Putting the new tuner inside the hole fits perfectly and also looks perfectly identical to the others. That's a very nice touch for only 15 pounds. Also, it seems there's a broken piece of string trapped inside the ferrule. I'll have to use a toothpick to gently tap it out of there. Dunlop lemon oil to condition the fretboard. Look at these crop circle inlays, they're stunningly beautiful. Dunlop cleaner for the body. Don't use the same rag as for the lemon oil, just saying, folks. This is definitely one of the best guitar finish I've ever seen. Let's take a look at this beauty. Alright, so now that this guitar is perfectly clean and set up, let's hear how it sounds. The signal chain for this video is obviously this Jackson Roswell Rhoads into my Focusrite Scarlett 2A2 into Reaper, where I have the Neural DSP 14 NTS suite. This guitar has a Seymour Duncan HB13 Dimebreaker in the bridge, of course, and the string set is D'Addario 10-52's light top heavy bottom, tuned to D standard. So, what can I say about this guitar? Well, sometimes in life you have to know how to seize the right opportunities without wasting too much time thinking about what could go wrong. I constantly check for guitar deals on forums and internet websites, so when it popped up I immediately contacted the owner and asked for a trade. No need to go around it, this guitar is fantastic and becomes more and more rare every year. I have seen some pieces on Reverb go up to as much as $2,000, which is definitely crazy and exaggerated. But I don't think I will sell it anytime soon, because it really is a guitar very fun to play. As I said, the guitar has a Dimebacker in it, Seymour Duncan SH13, it is very high output, 13.5K DCR if I'm not mistaken, so sometimes maybe it's a little bit noisy. You definitely need a noise gate pedal or VST plugin to tame it. The neck is super fast and you get extremely good access to the higher frets, but also it's very nicely shaped near the nut, so you can play chords without having to twist your hand like a corkscrew. In essence, a great guitar.
Alright folks, this is all for today. If you liked this video and this type of content, please feel free to leave a like and comment on anything you saw or heard. And if you also want to see more of this stuff like plugin reviews, gear demos and other heavy metal related videos, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. It's totally free and it really helps a lot. If you want to directly support me, don't forget to listen to my instrumental solo album Musa and my hybrid practice band projects Realignment EP. They're available on all digital streaming platforms. Also, you can get the official merchandise directly from our official Teespring campaign page. We've got beautiful V-neck tees, college hoodies and fitted tank tops. And also, you can get the quick intro songs that I made for my videos directly from my Bandcamp page. And finally, if you're a bedroom producer like me, don't forget to take a look at my Facebook group, MSIMS and VST Plugins for Metalheads. It's a great community, growing more and more every day, so you'll be updated for all the latest plugins releases. Once again folks, thanks for watching, stay safe, be good to each other and see you the next time.